So in the last video we made these two blade guides, and so now I need a way to mount them to the sawmill. Normally what they do is they have like a inch and a half post that this slides up in, and it's round on the end, and then there's adjustment screws, and that was just a whole lot of extra work that I wasn't really interested in doing. And so I made these. Let me show you how these work. So I welded this piece to our guides that we made, and so you can see I tacked it there and there, and then on the back side. And so this has slots that go horizontal, and these slots go vertical. This piece will get welded to the sawmill, and so this will sit here, and this gives me about 3/4 of an inch of forward and backward adjustment, and this gives me about 3/4 adjustment up and down. And then between the two of them, you get rocking like that. So you can use this to get your blade, get this parallel with your rail so that your blade runs straight. You can tip it like that. All right, let me get this part welded onto the sawmill, and I'll come back and show you what this looks like. All right, so I got them both welded on, and let me show you how I got them lined up. So I've got this 6-foot level right here. I like to run my blades a 1/2 inch under the wheels, so there's pretty good pressure on these guides, so if you're tipping them forward and backward, it will actually guide the blade. So here's a 1/2 inch block under my wheel, and then I've got that level clamped to that. Same thing on the other side. And then I've measured out how far out the back it is so that they're even across there, and that is as far back as I ever want the blade to go, because the gullet, if it goes back this far, the gullet is sitting right at the edge of that wheel. So that's where I've got this wheel that stops it going back any farther. You can hear it, it's just hitting that level. And then I've got these, I had a clamp right here when I was welding it, and it took me probably 10 minutes to get that clamp just in the right place. So I had this angle right, and then I got them welded in the back, and then this one I had to pretty much just hold it in place while I tacked it. But I've got them lined up now. I put a level, so I know that my floor is level, and I know that the wheels are sitting on that floor, and those wheels are what runs on the tracks. And so that should get me level, as far as if those are level and I level this right here, then if I level these, that should get my blade level to my tracks when I get there. But anyway, once I get it down there, I can check it again and make sure that I've got it in a good position. All right, so I've got my blade guides all locked down. They're installed, ready to go. Be sure and check out the other videos in this series of upgrading my sawmill. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.